gentlemen, people of the world, my name is Gareth, and welcome to the first official recorded run of the Buskin. Before we get started, I would like to introduce you to my associate who will be joining me today. Anyway, before we get started, whoa, look up in the sky! It's Keith Bruce! It's Keith Bruce!
Gareth, good luck going on the Buskin. You know the risks, you know the hazards, but you're the man to do it. Hats off to you.
I guess Yale has some very advanced drone technology.
Alrighty.
Jesus fuck.
You want front or back?
Front.
Okay.
We should keep on. We're doing this the day I leave, bro.
I know, right?
This is nuts.
Stay as middle center as we can. Ooh, another fish. Yeah, dude, they've been slapping around.
Hello.
Profoundly shallow.
I love you, Poppy.
Okay. That was some epic Swedish shit right there.
That would look very Swedish to me.
Epic Swedish.
Nice. Now that's epic. Now here we're going. Okay. Alright, let's hit the strip. Some Viking stuff right now. Wow, okay, let's hit some sheets so we can actually break it. Oh my god!
That shit was epic as fuck.
That was epic.
That was gangster.
It's too late now. He wants us to go backwards. So fuck it, we'll go backwards.
Yeah, perfect.
Alright.
We're hitting this shit in reverse. Doggy style.
Alright. Now let's make that switch. Okay, maybe not. Let's keep going.
Let's do this.
I'm glad we stuck this through. And just like that, our run down the Buskin had reached its conclusion. We had conquered every eddy, rapid, and euripus, danced along every strait the river had to offer, and now Lars would begin his canoe to his native land, Sweden. This was the last I ever saw of Lars, perhaps fittingly so. As Lars's canoe disappeared into the horizon, I thought about every pebble, stick, and drop of water that made the river flow the way it did. I reflected on my life and thought about every experience, every struggle, every success that made my life what it was, realizing it was not so different from the river. And at the end of both lay a beautiful, ungoverned expression of the unknown. When I reach the end of my river, I should hope it is as beautiful as this.